In today's technology-driven world, computer programming has emerged as a fundamental skill, revolutionizing various aspects of our lives. From smartphones and computers to cars and home appliances, almost every electronic device relies on computer programs to function. Understanding the basics of programming empowers individuals to communicate with machines, enabling them to control and automate tasks, solve complex problems, and bring innovative ideas to life. Programming plays a crucial role in numerous fields, including software development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and scientific research. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, the demand for skilled programmers is skyrocketing. By acquiring programming skills, individuals can tap into a world of opportunities, opening doors to exciting career paths and enabling them to make significant contributions to society. Moreover, learning to program fosters computational thinking, a problem-solving approach that involves breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps. This skill is highly valuable not only in programming but also in various other disciplines and everyday life situations. By developing computational thinking abilities, individuals can enhance their logical reasoning, analytical skills, and overall problem-solving capabilities. In conclusion, computer programming has become an indispensable skill in the 21st century. Its ability to automate tasks, solve problems, and drive innovation has made it an essential tool for individuals and industries alike. Embracing programming empowers us to shape the technological landscape, unlock new possibilities, and navigate the increasingly digital world with confidence and creativity. At its core, a computer program is a set of instructions that a computer can understand and execute to perform specific tasks. These tasks can be as simple as displaying a message on the screen or as complex as running an entire operating system. These instructions, written in a programming language, act as a recipe, guiding the computer step by step through a series of operations. Just like a chef follows a recipe to create a delicious dish, a computer follows the instructions in a program to accomplish a desired outcome. The precision and clarity of these instructions are crucial for the computer to perform accurately. These instructions can range from simple commands, such as adding two numbers or displaying a message on the screen, to more complex operations like sorting data, sending emails, or controlling robots. The complexity of the tasks a program can handle is only limited by the creativity and skill of the programmer. By combining these instructions in different ways, programmers can create sophisticated programs that solve a wide range of problems. This flexibility allows for the development of software that can adapt to various needs and challenges. Imagine you want to write a program to calculate the area of a rectangle. This is a simple example, but it illustrates the fundamental process of programming. The program would need to ask the user for the length of the rectangle, ask the user for the width of the rectangle, multiply the length and width to calculate the area, and display the calculated area to the user. This sequence of steps is a simple example of how a program operates. Each step in this process represents an instruction that the computer needs to execute in order to solve the problem. The clarity and order of these instructions are vital for the program to function correctly. In essence, computer programs act as intermediaries between human thought and machine action, translating our intentions into a language that computers can comprehend. This translation is what allows us to harness the power of computers to perform tasks that would be tedious or impossible for humans to do manually. By understanding the fundamental concepts of computer programs, we can begin to unlock the power of programming and harness its potential to create, innovate, and automate. This knowledge opens up a world of possibilities, enabling us to solve problems and improve our lives in countless ways. Learning to write computer programs offers a wide range of benefits, extending far beyond the realm of computer science. It is a skill that can open up numerous opportunities and provide a deeper understanding of the technology that shapes our world. It equips individuals with valuable skills that are highly sought after in today's job market, making them more competitive and versatile in various professional fields, and applicable in various aspects of life, from personal projects to professional endeavors. One of the most significant advantages of learning to program is the development of problem-solving skills. This ability to think critically and logically is invaluable. Programming requires breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps, a process known as decomposition. This methodical approach can be applied to many other areas of life. This logical and analytical thinking approach is transferable to countless other disciplines and everyday situations, enhancing one's ability to tackle challenges effectively. It fosters a mindset that is both strategic and adaptable. Furthermore, programming nurtures creativity and innovation. It encourages individuals to think outside the box and come up with unique solutions to problems. It empowers individuals to bring their ideas to life by transforming abstract concepts into tangible solutions. This process of creation is both challenging and rewarding. Whether it's developing a mobile app, designing a website, or automating a tedious task, programming provides the tools and knowledge to turn creative visions into reality. The possibilities are virtually limitless. In addition to these cognitive benefits, learning to program also opens doors to exciting career opportunities. The tech industry is booming, and skilled programmers are in high demand. The demand for skilled programmers continues to grow across industries, making it a highly lucrative and in-demand profession. This demand spans across various sectors, from finance to healthcare, from software development and data science to cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. Programming skills are essential in a wide range of fields. These skills are the backbone of modern innovation. Moreover, programming can be an incredibly rewarding and enjoyable experience. It offers a sense of accomplishment and joy that comes from solving problems and creating new things. The satisfaction of creating something from scratch and seeing it come to life can be immensely gratifying. This sense of achievement is a powerful motivator. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, the journey of learning to program is filled with challenges, discoveries, and a sense of accomplishment. It's a journey that can lead to personal and professional growth, making it a worthwhile endeavor for anyone. Section 4, Problem Solving Through Programming, a Practical Example. Let's illustrate the power of problem solving through programming with a simple example. Programming allows us to tackle complex problems by breaking them down into manageable steps. Imagine you have a list of numbers, and you want to find the largest number in the list. This is a task that might seem tedious if done manually, especially with a large data set. This is a common problem that can be easily solved using a computer program. By writing a few lines of code, we can automate this process and ensure accuracy. Here's how you might approach this problem using Python, a popular programming language. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experts alike. Numbers =, 10, 5, 20, 15, 30. Largest underscore number =, number 0 for number in numbers. If number task, largest underscore number equal sign number print. The largest number is largest underscore number. This simple script demonstrates the power of loops and conditionals in programming. This program first creates a list of numbers and then initializes a variable called largest underscore number with the first number in the list. This initialization step is crucial for setting a baseline for comparison. It then iterates through each number in the list, comparing it to the current value of largest underscore number. This iterative process ensures that every number is checked. If a number is found to be larger, it becomes the new largest underscore number. This way, the variable always holds the largest value encountered so far. Finally, the program prints the value of largest underscore number, which represents the largest number in the list. This output step is essential for communicating the result to the user. This example demonstrates how programming can be used to solve a specific problem by breaking it down into smaller steps and using logical instructions to arrive at the solution. Each step in the process is clear and methodical. The ability to think computationally and develop algorithmic solutions is a valuable skill that can be applied to a wide range of challenges. It encourages a structured approach to problem solving. By understanding the basic principles of programming, individuals can leverage its power to solve problems efficiently and effectively, automating tasks and gaining insights from data that would be difficult or impossible to achieve manually. This skill is increasingly important in our data-driven world. Section 5, the language of computers, programming languages. Just as humans use natural languages like English or Spanish to communicate, computers have their own set of languages called programming languages. These languages act as a bridge between human thought and machine understanding, enabling us to instruct computers on what tasks to perform. Natural languages are inherently ambiguous and open to interpretation, while programming languages are precise and unambiguous. Each statement in a programming language has a specific meaning and effect, leaving no room for misinterpretation by the computer. Programming languages can be broadly classified into two categories: high-level languages and low-level languages. High-level languages such as Python, Java, and C++ are designed to be human-readable and easier to learn and use. They abstract away many of the complexities of interacting directly with computer hardware, allowing programmers to focus on solving problems. Low-level languages, on the other hand, are closer to the machine code that computers understand directly. Assembly language and machine language are examples of low-level languages. While they offer more control over computer hardware, they are more challenging to learn and use. The choice of programming language depends on the specific task at hand, the programmer's skill level, and the available resources. High-level languages are generally preferred for most applications due to their ease of use and portability, while low-level languages are used when direct hardware control or maximum performance is required.